Hi YouTubers and Facebook guys. Today I'll be opening these two card packs actually. Overdrive, Sunset Overdrive and Raw. So I haven't opened them yet since yesterday. So let's open them right now. See what I get. So I got Magic, this one. Oh, these Magics and Traps. So I got him, him, then him, then him, and good him as well. Now for the lightning overdrive now. This one now. With the non-packed cards exit. So the, this one, 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 and also this one. So it's combined the two decks together. I've got some other Yu-Gi-Oh cards as well that I opened before actually, but actually one of them's a Pendulum Summon set. I've got a pack form right here. See, but I'm not gonna get those cards actually, so I'm gonna put it back in here now. Actually, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.